Airbus, the European aerospace giant, is gearing up for a significant leap in aviation technology with its plans for a successor to the highly successful A320neo family. This new aircraft, expected to enter service in the mid-2030s, promises to revolutionize the narrow-body market with enhanced efficiency, sustainability, and performance. Let's delve into the details of this ambitious project and its potential impact on the aviation industry. Airbus is actively exploring various technologies and partnerships to power its upcoming next-generation single-aisle NGSA jet. Christian Scherer, CEO of Airbus Commercial Aircraft, has indicated that Rolls-Royce is a potential engine provider for the new aircraft. However, Airbus's primary focus appears to be on open-fan engine technology, with CFM International's RISE, or the Revolutionary Innovation for Sustainable Engines program, being a notable contender. Open-fan engines are a type of jet engine that use a large, uncovered fan to generate thrust. This design offers improved fuel efficiency and noise reduction compared to traditional turbofan engines. This design differs from traditional turbofan engines, where the fan is enclosed within a casing. The new aircraft aims to deliver significant improvements in fuel efficiency compared to its predecessor. An extended range is anticipated, potentially reducing the need for refueling stops on certain routes. Airbus is placing a strong emphasis on environmental performance, exploring options such as hybrid electric and hydrogen propulsion. While specific details are under wraps, the new aircraft is expected to be a refined and optimized version of the A320neo family. Developing a next-generation narrow-body aircraft presents numerous challenges and opportunities for technological innovation. In terms of propulsion systems, Airbus is considering various options, including open-fan engines, hybrid electric propulsion, and hydrogen fuel cells. Advanced lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber composites, may be employed to reduce overall weight and improve fuel efficiency. Innovative wing designs and airframe shapes are being explored to minimize drag and optimize performance. Artificial intelligence technologies could be integrated for tasks such as flight path optimization and predictive maintenance. The new aircraft is expected to be capable of running on 100% sustainable aviation fuel, significantly reducing its carbon footprint. While working on the A320neo's successor, Airbus is simultaneously pursuing its ambitious Zero-E program, which aims to develop zero-emission aircraft powered by hydrogen. The program includes 4 concept aircraft: a turbofan, a turboprop, a blended wing body, and a fully electrical concept. Airbus CEO Guillaume Faury has stated that the company is focusing on 2 hydrogen technologies: liquid hydrogen and hydrogen fuel cells. The Zero-E aircraft program is expected to be officially launched in 2027 or 2028, with an entry into service date of 2035. The introduction of Airbus's next-generation narrow-body aircraft could have far-reaching effects on the aviation industry. Improved fuel efficiency and the use of sustainable fuels could significantly decrease the industry's carbon footprint. Airlines may benefit from lower operating costs, potentially leading to more affordable fares for passengers. The demand for sustainable aviation fuels is likely to increase, driving innovation and investment in alternative fuel technologies. The development of this aircraft could spur advancements in various fields, such as propulsion, materials, and avionics, benefiting the entire aviation industry. Furthermore, the introduction of a new, highly competitive aircraft could lead to changes in market share and competition among airlines. It may also influence aircraft leasing strategies and fleet renewal plans for carriers worldwide. Despite the promising outlook, Airbus faces several challenges in bringing this new aircraft to market. Technological hurdles must be overcome to achieve the desired efficiency and sustainability goals. Regulatory compliance, particularly concerning new propulsion technologies, will require extensive testing and certification processes. Economic factors, including development costs and market demand, will play a crucial role in shaping the project's timeline and scope. Additionally, Airbus must navigate the competitive landscape, particularly with rival Boeing, which is likely working on its own next-generation narrow-body aircraft. Airbus's plans for the A320neo's successor represent a bold step towards the future of aviation. By focusing on efficiency, sustainability, and advanced technologies, The company aims to address the industry's pressing environmental concerns while meeting the evolving needs of airlines and passengers. As the project progresses, it will undoubtedly face challenges and obstacles. However, if successful, this new aircraft could play a pivotal role in shaping the future of air travel, paving the way for a more sustainable and efficient aviation industry. The coming years will be crucial as Airbus refines its designs, tests new technologies, and prepares to launch this next-generation narrow-body aircraft into the skies of tomorrow. Now, which new entrants do you think can compete with Airbus and Boeing next-generation concepts? Let us know in the comments. Don't miss out on the latest aerospace insights. Hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content.